How to create a warm and cozy atmosphere during this busy holiday season? Diffuse essential oils. Take Holiday Joy. It's a blend of uplifting and energizing wild orange, warm and spicy essential oils, cassia, ginger, and clove, and grounding trees like frankincense, Siberian fir, Peru balsam, and cistus. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 tips how you can enjoy this holiday blend. First tip, diffuse it. I like using waterless diffuser bubble to create an instant welcoming aroma in my household. Second tip, DIY mist for your Christmas tree or centerpiece on the table for fresh and holiday scent. And third tip, if you're planning to go to a busy mall over this holiday season, make sure you add a drop or 2 onto your scarf or your coat to stay grounded and present. Now go and drop a comment below with your favorite essential oil for this holiday season.